pop in and show you guys my progress. My legs. Got some baby gains. Calves looking good. Booty is nice and plump. Your girl's definitely gotta go in and do some foam rolling and stretching today. Shorts are Amazon, just so you guys know. But I absolutely love working out my legs. That has been the biggest transformation throughout quarantine and this whole pandemic of a year. I've really focused in a lot on toning my legs, growing them, and I am doing a lean bulk, so I'm not trying to, you know, gain a bunch of weight super quick. Hydrate. I just want all my weight to go to the butt.
Froze, icy on my breath, I'm froze. Whiskey ain't never gonna be frozen. Said a lot of things I don't know them. August ain't never felt as cold. Froze, icy on my breath, I'm froze. Whiskey ain't never gonna be frozen. Said a lot of things I don't know them. August ain't never felt this cold. Motherfucker thinking that he grown. We live in a series of 30 for 30.
That was such a mission. I've never been in Trader Joe's waiting that long, just because the line was wrapped around the entire store, so I kind of just took my time. But anyways, I picked up a lot of stuff for this week, and I'll be giving you guys some meal ideas and basically just telling you what I'll be doing with everything. Of course, you guys know, but if you guys are new, all this stuff is dairy-free, and I don't know where the receipt is, but I'm pretty sure I spent a little bit over $100. So these organic non-crackers are semi-new. I think they're actually new. These are amazing. They're so good as a snack. I like to pair it with some turkey slices, like 2 to 4 ounces of it, just to get my protein in. And the thing I noticed when I was tracking this, it says 1 serving is 5 crackers, 29 grams, but I weighed it out. 29 grams is actually 10 crackers. So I guess that's good, but just to let you guys know, this is not correct for the serving size. I found that to be pretty interesting, but these are definitely worth picking up. I got some eggs because I've been using eggs a lot recently. I love using it for my French toast. If you guys caught my last video, I showed you a bunch of fun, cozy recipes for the fall time. So definitely check that out. I like brown eggs, they're pretty good. Cucumber. I got some huge flour tortillas. These do have soy in them. I was trying to find ones that didn't have soy, but they all had soy, at least the ones that were dairy-free. So I'll be doing breakfast burritos this week, and I'm really excited about that. It's one of my favorite ways to use tortillas. I also just got some lemons for lemon water. Been loving that in my days just to kickstart my digestion. Picked up some raw almond butter in the creamy. This is the best almond butter I've ever come across. The only ingredient is raw almonds. There's no salt, oils, or preservatives. I definitely stocked up on some face wash. Really love this. It has tea tree oil, and I find that it keeps my breakouts at ease because tea tree oil is actually an antibacterial. So the more you know. In here, ooh, how did I know that was gonna happen? Look at this, they switched up on me. There's no more paper bags, we've got plastic, but thank God my mom and dad raised me to keep all my bags. So I just like repurposed those. I just don't, like, you can't use reusable bags at my Trader Joe's because of the virus, and it's so hot, it's 103. I didn't want to bag it outside and take extra time. But anyways, I got some Envy apples. This is a fantastic snack for me. I've been loving these with some nut butter. I got a couple of sweet potatoes, so I'll be roasting these in the oven. Got some really big ones today. I've been loving tuna. There's so much protein in just one can of tuna. It's a really nice lean cut of meat, so you're gonna get low fat in this. 130 calories per serving, and then I believe it's like 29 grams of protein. So you can do wraps with this. Sometimes I'll make it and then use some of those crackers and dip it into the tuna. So love this. I get the pink cans and it's in water. I'm also gonna be doing some Greek salad. So I got this butter lettuce mix, probably use maybe like half a bag per serving, maybe a little more, depending on how hungry I am. And then in here, I just got 2 kombuchas because I'm running low, and I love the fruit punch, tropical punch, I'm sorry, flavor. It's very delicious. Would recommend you guys check it out. Got me touching on your body. You guys like Doja Cat because I'm obsessed with her right now. I've been asleep for too long on her music. Got myself some flowers. Sorry for the angle. It's like getting nighttime because it gets dark early these days. And I just have a really small apartment. I live in a studio, so there's not a lot of space for me to prop you guys up. But I got myself a nice little bouquet of orange roses this week. And the last bunch I got lasted me like a whole week and a half. I was surprised. I think the trick is to leave the green leaves on and then cut the stems, obviously, so that I can eat the plant food. So love their roses, very beautiful. I look like my shorts are too short. All right, let's get into the next bit of stuff that I have from Trader Joe's. It was a workout, let me tell you. I got some beautiful tomatoes for my Greek salad, and also BLTs are really bomb. Yes, I eat bacon because it fits my macros and I love it. It's so good. I got some brown rice, nice carb choice. And then for my breakfast burritos, I'll be using these hash browns. They're super defrosted, but this is just a quick way to add some carbs into, you know, my meal. So I've got that, some organic green beans. This whole thing I'll use in like one meal prep session. And then of course I had to get some more almond milk. So this is what I get. I want to get the unsweetened and see how I like it, but sometimes I just need a little bit of sugar in my life. So I got 2 of those. And then the last bit of stuff. So let me put this in the freezer. 1 second. Okay, let's move on. So you can't have a Greek salad without olives. These ones actually do have a pit in them. I was too lazy to look for ones that didn't have the pit just because the line was so long, but those are really good. And then I also got another one of these Harvest chili. It's a vegan plant-based chili, and this is so bomb. I did like these chili fries. I think there'll be a vlog coming soon that will show how I made my chili fries. Dairy-free and very cheesy, very delicious. But this has a base of black bean, butternut squash, cauliflower, sweet potato, pumpkin puree, and chili spices. And I definitely want to add more beans to this. I noticed when I had it the first time around, I just love a lot of beans. So for more protein, this is just a great quick option, and it is seasonal, so definitely recommend picking that up and trying it out. Another quick source of protein that I absolutely love, if you are like me, and you struggle to eat a lot of protein, pro tip, get like lunch meats and stuff, because you don't have to cook it, you know, you can just enjoy it, whip it up really quick in a wrap. I got these for my non-crackers, super simple little snack, high protein option with a little bit of carbs. And I really like the maple turkey, it's my favorite. It's nice and thick sliced, so that's my go-to. Another healthy snack option are almonds, especially if you are trying to get those healthy fats in for the day. This is amazing for pre-workout for me. I find it's a great grab and go type of snack. So before a hike or something, even after a hike, I like to munch on these, and I like to get the 50% less salted. I don't like to have a ton of sodium in my diet, but I find these are really delicious. And then the last thing that I got, because I'm just a little too lazy these days, for my Greek salad this week, I just got this lemon pepper chicken. So I got 2 of those. gosh, these eggs look so good. The trick is putting a little bit of water and it makes them very fluffy, and cook them on low, and they smell so good. So I'm gonna get this. I'm waiting for the potato. Can you pause that, please? Thank you. And then I've got some cheddar style vegan cheese. And then I'm actually gonna warm these up in the tortilla. I just need to wash this pan. For meal number 1, this is 30 grams of protein. Not mad about it. So I'm trying to do like 25 minimum per meal. Didn't fold this the best, but I got some salsa on the side, and I'm gonna hope that this slaps because there's some vegan cheese and lots of bacon in there, and I love bacon, can't give it up, love it in my burritos, love it in everything, honestly. So. Okay, so I'm about to make meal number 2. I had my pineapple juice and I logged it because it's a lot of carbs, although it literally is 100% pineapple juice. But I'm gonna make my thick shake, and we're gonna be doing s'mores today. You can go over to the Amazon page, links are down below, and you can get this. They just added the s'mores to the website, and I'm honestly just gonna add nut butter to this and then some almond milk and ice. That way I can hit my protein for the day. Oh, I'm not gonna put banana in mine. That's too many carbs right now. So let me do that.
Stand by.
So I'm gonna be using the creamy version. This is literally just almonds, no salt, no oils, no preservatives. So I am gonna weigh it out. I have my scale on my Amazon page as well because I do track, and I feel like it's super important. This is high calories, so you have to be super careful. 190 calories, you guys, in 2 tablespoons, and then it is pretty high in protein, so we're gonna get an additional 7 grams. So I'm gonna zero my scale, and then I'm gonna take out 32 grams. That's fine. And I have some water and some ice. Oh my god, it's so good. Leroy loves almond butter. Alexa, can
almond butter.
Stop. Can dogs have almond butter?
I didn't get that.
Alexa, can dogs have almond butter?
Almond butter is not considered poisonous to dogs. However, almond butter may still contain ingredients that are individually toxic to dogs, and you should always check with your veterinarian before feeding your pet any new foods. Did that answer your question?
Yes, thank you. All right.
Thanks for your feedback.
What?
When did she start saying that?
Feedback, motherfucker. That's funny.
So 38 grams, we'll log that. So I'm gonna give you guys the macros because I forgot to do that for our second meal of the day. 393 calories, super simple, 3 ingredients. And as far as the protein, because that's really all I care about, I'm gonna be honest, I go over my fat a lot. So as long as I'm in the calories for the day, I'm good. But I wanna make sure that I always hit my protein for the day. So this meal number 2, has 36 grams. It also has 21 grams of fat, and then 24 for the carb, which is not bad at all. So if you want to add more carbs, banana would be your perfect little choice of ingredients. But I put mine in a wine glass today because we're feeling fancy, and I always feel like if you put love into your meals and you make them look presentable and you add different colors of the rainbow, you know, when you're eating salads and veggies, it just makes it more enjoyable. And it's bomb. I actually really like the 3-ingredient smoothie. And you see how fast I drink these? They're literally dessert. I will be back with my next meal for today in 2 seconds. We are back. I'm gonna hydrate today. I aim for a gallon of water a day, but be warned that you pee a lot. So if you're willing to give up your freedom of going to the bathroom all the time, just drink more water. So I'm gonna have a snack right now, and this is gonna be 26 grams of protein. It's gonna be super simple. I'm actually editing, so I don't wanna like cook something right now. So I'm actually gonna grab some turkey and then some of those naan crackers that I showed you earlier in the Trader Joe's video, or like the portion of the video. So like I mentioned, the macros on this label are incorrect, and I've been noticing that with a few items from Trader Joe's. So I don't know, the best thing I would say is just weigh it out in grams if you can. So this says 5 crackers as a serving, it's actually 10. So I'm gonna get those ready, and then 4 ounces of turkey so I can hit the protein for this meal. Like I said earlier, I aim for about 25 grams per meal. This way I can at least hit 100 by the end of the day. So I'd rather have this than to snack on like empty calories like potato chips, you know what I mean? So I think it's just about having those healthier alternatives when you're more mindful of the foods that you're eating. Postmated Chipotle, and they actually got my order wrong. This was supposed to be a chicken burrito, so this is what I got: chicken, fajita, corn. I think there's white rice down there, and that's it. So yeah, we got a side of tortilla.
That's how you know you're Hispanic, so you get like a little piece or whatever. So whatever you're eating.
Like little tacos?
Yeah. So basically, what I do, I mix it up. Bam. Little burrito taco. Boom. And eat.
So that's how we're gonna improvise. Thank you. I think this is like 54 grams of protein. I tried to just track my normal order. So we'll just go with that, and we are definitely over for the day, you guys. It's like 700 calories right here. I knew it'd come to a time in the vlog when I would grab one of these. I love these bars, you guys. So I'm tracking this as my last meal tonight. It is 9 o'clock, and I definitely have a sweet tooth. This is putting me at 154 grams of protein, 295 grams of carbs, and then 89 for my fats, and I hit just a little bit over 2,500 calories for the day, and I did not work out. So tomorrow, best believe I'm about to go in with my session. I'm really excited, you guys. So that was just a full day of eating. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll catch you guys in my next video very soon.